আমরা আজকে 45তম BCS এর 35তম প্রস্তুতি দেখব। আপনি যদি স্টুডেন্টের এই চ্যানেলে নতুন হয়ে থাকেন তাহলে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি অন করে দিন আমাদের পরবর্তী ভিডিও নোটিফিকেশন পাওয়ার জন্য। আর যদি অলরেডি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে থাকেন তাহলে আপনাকে ধন্যবাদ। Which one is incorrect? Right answer C. Jahan tore up his coat on a nail. Rita was married dash a rich man. Right answer B. 2. Which one is correct? Right answer C. Billiards is very difficult game. After Kamal was Robert, he was even afraid he dash his own shadow. Right answer A. Rima aimed dash the target. Right answer D. Rashid exchanged his collection of matchbox, some foreign stamps. Right answer D. Will you pass dash the post office? Right answer A. By the post office. Which one is correct? Right answer C. 100 years make a century. Milon took his brother dash the hand. Right answer C. By the hand. Are you related dash Simon in any way? Right answer A. The teachers is please dash me. Right answer D. With me. Which one is correct? Right answer B. Salman insisted on going to Italy. They play football dash the rain. Right answer A. In the rain. I want to congratulate you dash your recent success. Right answer B. On your recent success. Which one is incorrect? Right answer D. Robert considered me as his best friend. Which of the following sentence is incorrect? Right answer D. Ria gave me some good advice. Your house is similar dash mine. Right answer A. To mine. Their house is opposite dash ours. Right answer D. 2 hours. The cap of the mountain is covered dash snow. Right answer C. With snow. Which one is incorrect? Right answer D. Think a number and then double it.